Okay, so this is an 8x8 stamping platform, you can see on there. So you can, you know, there's probably about as big as most images that you're likely to want to do. I'm going to do two different sorts of stamping on this now. So I'm going to put my first piece of cardstock on here. So I've got Neenah cardstock on here because I want to stamp something that I might want to colour up with my alcohol pens. And if you know Crafters Companion, you know that Neenah cardstock is the best for your alcohol pens. So I can pop that onto here, and then I can pop my mat over the plate over the top. I press down once and I pick up my cardstock. Now I'm just going to put the other magnet on. Now the magnets are holding that cardstock in place. I can turn it over. I can even use my stamping platform to rest my plate on, and then I just tap over the top with my ink. Again, I'm using my alcohol proof because we're doing something that would ultimately be coloured with our alcohol pens. I'm going to turn this back round. Did I have it that way round? No, I took it that way round. And then we can pop that on there, and then all I do, line it back up into the feet, and then I press down. If I wanted to let go, I can always go back down again as well. So it doesn't matter if you let go, and look at that, I've got the perfect image. Now what I've actually done is I have created a couple of little masks for this one, just so that I can show you quickly how you can line things back up. So that one goes that way around, there we go, you can see I've already stamped over here. So if you wanted to, I can then take that stamp off my platform. Let's find another one. Let's find another flower, and we can pop that on here. So we're creating depth and dimension, and I'll just pop a leaf coming out of there. So they're overlapping. Now, I know they're in the right place. I haven't had to worry about them. I can pick them up. I can do more than one stamp at any one time. We're not limited to one because I know I've got perfect placement. Tap that over there. Make sure it inks up nicely. Now, this Crafters Companion stamping platform has been a game changer for me. It's so easy to use. Look at that. So back into place. I know everything is where I want it to be. And then I press down so we can pop that on to there. Oh, now look at that. I've missed a little bit. Oh, you can even see the ink. So all I need to do, pop the ink back on. Anyone think I did that deliberately, and I actually didn't. There we go. Pop that down. Now I need to just make sure I go down straight, and if I go down straight, I can then, that was the bit I missed, line it back up. I'm perfect. Now, just to show you, just so that you can see how that looks, when I take that off, how about like that? That is what you can achieve with a stamping platform.